How can I add a new device to my Find My Phone account?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss a valuable topic: how to add a new device to your Find My Phone account. This is an incredibly useful feature, as it can help you locate your devices if you ever misplace them or, in worst-case scenarios, if they get stolen.
What do you need to begin?
Before you start, you need a few things. Firstly, ensure you have your Apple ID and password. This is the account information you use for all Apple services, including the Find My feature. Secondly, make sure the device you want to add is compatible with the Find My service. Lastly, you should have physical access to the device you want to add.
How to add your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch?
1. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. 2. Tap on the first option, which usually has your name, and Apple ID, iCloud, iTunes, and App Store written under it. 3. Then select Find My. 4. Tap on Find My device and switch it on. 5. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. 6. Also, turn on Enable Offline Finding to find this device even when it's not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular.
How to add your Mac?
1. Open Apple menu by clicking the Apple logo on the top left corner of the screen. 2. Select System Preferences, then click on Apple ID. 3. If you're using macOS Mojave or earlier, you don't need to click on Apple ID. 4. Select iCloud from the sidebar and then scroll down to find the Find My Mac option. 5. Check the box to enable Find My Mac.
How to add your Apple Watch or AirPods?
1. Make sure that your Apple Watch or AirPods are paired with an iPhone or iPad in your Find My account. 2. Once you pair your Apple Watch or AirPods with your iPhone, they will automatically appear in the Find My app. And that's it. By following these steps, you can add new devices to your Find My Phone account and keep track of all your valuable Apple devices. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy tracking!